Ever wondered how something as mundane as going to the bathroom could tell the entire story of human civilization? From sacred rituals to space stations, the humble toilet has witnessed our greatest innovations. This is that extraordinary story.
Open, blue light, heat on. Activate bidet and deodorizer. Dryer on. Close.
Our journey begins in 3000 BCE, where prehistoric humans first discovered the simple wisdom of designated waste areas. Communal pits near streams, marked by arranged stones and covered with leaves. It was crude, but it was the beginning of sanitation consciousness. Fast forward to 2500 BCE, and the Indus Valley civilization was already engineering sophisticated drainage systems, with brick-lined channels running through homes in Mohenjo-Daro, proving that ancient peoples understood hygiene far better than we often credit them. The Egyptians brought luxury to the equation around 1500 BCE, with wooden seats over sand-filled ceramic pots in palace bathrooms adorned with hieroglyphics. But it was the Romans in 100 CE who made toilets social, creating magnificent public latrines with marble benches where citizens would sit side by side, conversing over flowing water channels beneath them. Medieval castles took a different approach with garderobes, stone alcoves with chutes dropping waste down castle walls into moats below, cold and functional. The Renaissance through Victorian era saw rapid innovation. Tudor chamber pots became ornate ceramic art pieces in the 1550s. Sir John Harrington invented the first flush toilet in 1596, though it wouldn't catch on for centuries. Rural America's outhouse era defined the 1700s, while Victorian England in the 1850s finally embraced the porcelain flush toilet with high-mounted cisterns and pull chains. Thomas Crapper's 1880s improvements with the U-bend and siphon flush revolutionized sanitation forever. The 20th century standardized and refined. Art Deco bathrooms of the 1920s made toilets household fixtures. The 1950s brought color-coordinated, streamlined designs. Water conservation emerged in the 1980s with dual flush mechanisms. Then Japan changed everything in the 1990s with the washlet, heated seats, automatic lids, bidet functions, and control panels that made toilets intelligent. The 2000s saw eco-friendly composting toilets, while the 2000s introduced smart toilets with health monitoring and smartphone integration. Today's luxury models feature voice control, automatic health diagnostics, and ambient lighting. But the future promises even more. By 2030, augmented reality will display real-time health data. The 2045 toilet will molecularly convert waste into clean water, fertilizer, and biogas. Space station toilets of 2060 will handle zero gravity with magnetic positioning. By 2075, neural interfaces will adjust comfort settings through thought alone. The far future becomes almost surreal. In 2085, bioengineered living organisms will process waste through breathing, self-sustaining systems. By 2095, quantum transmutation will disassemble waste at the atomic level, reconstructing it into pure elements. As we approach 2010, humanity itself evolves beyond biological waste. Internal nanites recycle everything at the cellular level, rendering traditional toilets obsolete museum pieces. From Stone Age pits to post-biological perfection, the toilet's evolution mirrors our own journey from survival to transcendence. It's a story of innovation, dignity, health, and the relentless human drive to improve even our most private moments. The throne, it turns out, has always been worth its royal title.